Today's podcast is brought to you by Quantrix Modeler Introductory Training, teaching the fundamental foundation that you need to become a Quantrix master. Go to quantrixauthority.com to learn more.
Show me how you do Quantrix.
Hey, welcome back to another Netcast. I'm Rich Lopez, Quantrix Authority. Sincerely appreciate you joining me today for episode number 224, where I'm going to show you how to rearrange items of categories and what the shortcut keys are to make that happen. This is something I came across today at my day job. I was working with one of my coworkers, helping him build out a model, and he didn't quite know the shortcut keys on how to effectively and efficiently move items within a category. And I thought, hey, this would be a great thing to teach everybody about because it is a huge time savings. It's one of the first things I learned when I started working with Quantrix. I have here a matrix, very basic matrix. It's just pulling data from matrix 1. I'm just doing this via a data link and really pivoting it out in a multidimensional OLAP analysis. And you can see that I have year, and then you can see that I have months going across the top, and I have it by salesperson. The thing that is a little wonky here, if you will, or out of order, is that when I brought in my months, I didn't sort them. Okay, I could go in and I could edit the data link and sort the category month, and it would bring back correctly. But maybe what I want to do is I simply want to go ahead and I just want to rearrange these manually. So how do you do that? Well, you may be tempted in that lesser program to go out and cut them and move them over. I wouldn't recommend you do that in Quantrix because you don't need to. There's no need for that. Simply take your shift or your control key, and let's say I want to get period 1 all the way over here. You can simply hold your control key and hit your arrow key to the left, and it will move period 1, and you can see, of course, that it's moving it also here under year 2017 as well as in 2018, and you can move that all the way over to the front. Now, here's something interesting to note that, well, 11 and 12 should go at the end, right? So I could move these all the way over like this, or I could go ahead and I could select them here, select all of the others, and simply move them over too, and that puts 11 and 12 here at the end. So it may not be just moving the item that you want to move. It may be moving other items that will then get the item that you want in place in the correct order. So again, if I were to move 4 over here, and then I can move 3 all the way down here. Again, I'm just using my control arrow keys to make this happen. And again, 7, 6, and I think I'm about there with 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Also, if I wanted to adjust these guys and their order, again, let's say I wanted to put all the B's, I wanted McCrae to be second, I could just highlight these guys, hit my control down arrow key, and McCrae is now second in the list. So use your control arrow keys to go ahead and move the position and the order of things within Quantrix. If you have any questions about shortcuts, or if you want to share with me your favorite shortcut in Quantrix, actually I'd love to hear it. If there's a favorite shortcut you have, send me an email at quantrixauthority@gmail.com or put it here in the YouTube comments. It would be great to hear what your favorite shortcut is, so please do that for me. It will make my day if you comment and tell me what your favorite shortcut is. It will also make my day if you will join me again for another podcast of Quantrix Authority with Rich Lopez.